In this video, I would like to remind you the importance of vocal expression over verbal content. I'm Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. I am a professional master of ceremony since mid-90s. You're watching MC Bali channel. Peter Drucker once said, "The most important thing in communication is to hear what isn't being said." Believe it or not, our audience in public speaking receive information through 3 V's. What we say verbally, how we sound vocally, and how we look or how we present visually. It is very humane. It's just how we, human, act and react toward our surrounding. The entire package of 3 V's, verbal, vocal, visual, must be synchronized to deliver effective communication, to achieve the most effective outcome of public speaking. There was a research by UCLA in 1967. The researcher's name is Dr. Albert Mehrabian. His conclusion was, when communicating face-to-face, verbal is believed 7% of the time, the vocal 38%, and visual 55% of the time. When communicating over the telephone, 84% of communication is vocal, 16% is verbal. So with that classic research that still holds true until now, I cannot stress you more on the importance of vocal expression. Yes, it is important to prepare what we would like to say verbally and how we look visually, but again, people hear more on what isn't being said, as what Peter Drucker said. And then there's another information I would like to share with you about several research results on PR in crisis communication. They all highlight that vocal is a strong instrument to deliver message. Voice pitch and speech rate. Those two are the key elements to build the right tone of message that we would like to deliver to our audience. Imagine you are announcing sad news. Imagine you are announcing a award. So those two definitely will need different speech rate and also pitch. Now let's try announcing a award. Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to announce who is the winner of our global competition. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to announce who is the winner of our global competition. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to announce who is the winner of our global competition. Are you ready? Definitely, you can do mixes of pitch and speed and play with it how you want to create the tone of message. If you are new to public speaking, you are newbie in MC, perhaps you can ask the event owner or the committee on what is the ambience or the tone that they want to hear in that event. Try to mix for this sentence. We heard in the news how the natural disaster greatly affected that region, and that has caused cancellation of delegations to participate in our event. We heard in the news how the natural disaster greatly affected that region, and that has caused cancellation of delegations to participate in our event. With the right vocal expression, we can set the right tone of message to the audience. The exact message that is effectively and correctly perceived as we planned. Remember, our vocal is an important tool in communication. Our vocal is an effective tool in public speaking. Not just the words or verbal, not just how we look or what we present visually. but how we say those words vocally. How we sound, our vocal, is believed more than what we said or how we presented it. Carefully prepare our message and how we say those messages to the audience. Carefully prepare them so the audience can hear what is not being said. They can hear the tone of message. That's all my video for now. Thank you for watching. Please do like this video if you like it, and also share this to anyone, to your friends, to your family, to your colleague. That's all for now. I'm Nirmala Trisna from Bali, Indonesia. Stay safe, happy, and healthy.